In this video, you'll learn how to sell Worldcoin on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully execute a sale and manage your funds afterward. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate the markets or trade section, typically found on the main navigation menu. In this section, use the search function to find Worldcoin. Select the appropriate trading pair, such as World/USD. Before proceeding, confirm that you have Worldcoin available in your spot wallet. It's essential to review the current market price and recent price movements to ensure you are informed about the ongoing market conditions. Wait for the trading interface to load completely before moving on. Next, locate the trading panel and select the sell option. Here, you will need to choose an order type. So market order will allow for immediate selling at the current price, while a limit order gives you control over the price at which you sell. Enter the amount of Worldcoin you wish to sell in the provided field. After inputting the amount, review the expected proceeds from the sale before confirming your order. Once you are satisfied with the details, submit the order. Keep in mind that limit orders may take some time to execute depending on market price movement, so be patient as you monitor the order's execution. After placing your sell order, it is important to check your wallet balance to confirm the receipt of funds. Navigate to your wallet section to see the updated balance reflecting the proceeds from your sale. Additionally, review your order history to examine the price at which you sold and any fees that were applied to the transaction. This information will help you track your performance and make informed decisions moving forward. Consider your next actions carefully after confirming the funds. You have several options. You can withdraw the proceeds to your bank account, reinvest them into another cryptocurrency, or hold on to the funds for future use. If you plan to re-enter the market later, keep a close eye on market trends and conditions. It is also advisable to maintain records for performance tracking or tax purposes. Avoid making emotional decisions immediately after selling, as this can lead to impulsive actions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.